We have come here officially to lodge our complaint against Dickson Mwenda, who is the petitioner in election petition number 5 of 2022, where he has filed documents in court alleging that Kampala University communicated to him that Bishop Kawira Mwangaza did not finish a university program. That letter is dated 22nd day of, I believe, April, 22nd day of April 2022. Upon communication to the university have said that this letter is an illegal document. This is not an official communication from the university. So meaning that the said swearer of that affidavit forged this document and brought it to court. Ndio maana leo mheshimiwa amekuja hapa kufile a complaint, ndio huyu achukuliwe hatua, achukuliwe a criminal case against him for forging a document, and we are saying that is against the Penal Code section 349 of our Penal Code, where if he found liable atafungwa si miaka chini ya miaka 3. Na ndio tunaomba sheria ichukue mkondo wake. Asante sana.